Let me tell you a quick story. A new YouTuber is just like someone in a busy market where people in the market already have their customers. So getting your own customers will be hard. You have to keep going to the market every day until people start noticing you. If your shop is locked, you've already killed every chance of getting customers. If you keep showing up and eventually get your first customer, you have to attend to the person in the way that would make the person to keep coming back to your shop. Remember, there are other people in the market and there are possibly other people who the person was buying from before the person discovered you. So the way you treat the person will determine if the person will come back or not. So in this case now, your content is what will determine if somebody would want to come back to your channel after discovering your channel. Okay, and if your content is good, which means you treated the person better, YouTube algorithm will know that through the person's behavior. If the person watch your video till the end, or even share your video, or even come back to rewatch your video, it will suggest to YouTube that this content is really nice and it needs to get to more people. So YouTube will start pushing that content to a lot more people. Assuming at that moment your content started getting momentum, you've already taken a break because you thought your content will not do well, or you thought you're not going to get viewers or subscribers, the algorithm will forget you. When people get to your channel and there is no other thing to watch, even the audience you got earlier will forget you as well. So each time you come back, you're going to be starting all over. You're going to be starting all over. Imagine someone that has her shop in a busy market as someone that opened newly in that same market. You now showed up the first month, and then maybe just one person or two persons that bought from you, and then they're already looking forward to buying from you when next they get to the market. And on getting to the market, they didn't see you. They will be disappointed and they won't even bother looking for you again. And once they stop looking for you because you have no content anymore, you're no longer there, algorithm will also do the same thing. Algorithm will forget you and focus on others that are more serious. So please, as a beginner, know that you're going to struggle to find your own audience because YouTube is like a busy market and you're just starting for the first time. Nobody knows you, so it's going to take you time to gather your own audience. So once you've started gathering your audience, do not stop. Continue. Do not stop. Okay? I hope you're encouraged today to go back to that your channel you abandoned, or to launch that channel you've been planning to launch for a very long time. I think it's high time you launched it. Alright, I'm Eunice Onyedikachi, and if you'd love to see more videos like this, kindly hit the subscribe button. See you on my next video. Bye!